Here is topic 4 of our circles unit. We are talking area of circles. This is your medium video. If you have your note sheet, will be in this lower left corner where it says area of circles. There are a medium and a spicy videos, so if you run out of room, feel free to head on to the backside, jot it down there. And then if you need to, make sure you label it so that you can refer back to it later. So how do we find the area of a circle? So first of all, we need the radius. We need to know what the radius is because our formula is pi times the radius squared. A couple reminders about pi before we head off into our examples. When you're asked to round, make sure you have the calculator in classic mode. If you don't remember how to get that, then make sure you re-watch the circumference videos. It'll tell you exactly how to do that. It should already be in degree mode, but just in case, make sure that DEG is highlighted in the mode section of the calculator. If it's not, make sure you change it to DEG mode, degree mode. And if you're asked to write in terms of pi, we just use the pi symbol in our answer. So we don't actually have to worry about pi rounding or anything like that. Now, our first example, we are given the diameter of a circle to be 22 meters. We need to find its area to the nearest whole number. All right, so my diameter is 22. I need the radius, so I divide 22 by 2. So our radius would be 11 meters. I'm going to do 11 squared times pi using the calculator, and that would give me an answer of 380.13 and a bunch of other numbers after that, none of which I need to worry about. So if I do round to the nearest whole number, this 1 in the tens column tells me to round down, so my final answer would be 380 meters squared. In example 2, we're given the radius of a circle to be 12 centimeters, finding its area to the nearest whole number. So I already have the radius. I don't have to do any work to get started. I can just do 12 squared times pi. Now 12 squared I know is 144 times pi. My calculator tells me that is 452.38 and then a bunch of other numbers. Rounding to the nearest whole number, I look at the 3 in the tenths column. That tells me to round down, so my final answer is 452 centimeters squared. Example 3, the only difference on this one is we are asked in terms of pi. So I've got a diameter for a circle is 8. I need to know the radius, so 8 divided by 2. That would give me a radius of 4 centimeters. I'm going to do 4 squared times pi. So 4 squared is 16 pi. And because we want it in terms of pi, I am basically done right there. I just need to put my units on, so centimeters squared. In our last example, we are once again asked to find the area in terms of pi. This time I'm given the radius of the circle. So this is 14 squared times pi. Now I know 14 squared is 196. I just throw my pi symbol on. And then to finalize my answer, I use my units, which are inches squared. If you head over to Delta Math and you look at the medium level CYUs, you will see that there are 2 different skills. Make sure you are good to go with both of them, both rounding and in terms of pi, and then let me know when you are done.